Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable the NaviBall menu on BOOX Palma 2 Pro. You can actually enable it in a few different ways. The best method, Tools, a folder, NaviBall over here. Here as you can see, enable NaviBall. As you can see, now we are here. That's how to enable it, and now we can tap it and use it. Apart from that, we can go to the control center over here, and the NaviBall should be here. I need to find it. NaviBall over here. You can disable it and enable it over here using just a simple tap. And actually, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.